Alright, so let's just continue our journey through the Ansible. And my name is Ashutosh, and this is our next video. In this particular video, we'll go ahead and we'll talk about the playbook, and we'll create few of them. So playbook is nothing special, it is just a bunch of commands which will be performed on the nodes we provide into the host list. So if you wish to have a single command into the playlist, then that is possible. If you want to have a bunch of the tasks to be performed using a playlist, then that is also possible. So in this particular video we will go ahead and we will talk about the playlist. So there are few rules and regulations for writing the Ansible playbook. So let me create Ansible playbook, and the format for that will be YAML. So let me start my first test.yaml. Alright, so let's go to our document. We had started and we finished till this particular point. So we need to start from here. So let me copy most of the stuff from here. So let's go to the window here. Alright, so I have copied all this stuff from the portal itself, so you can go ahead with that and you don't face any trouble with it. Task, so we need to write the task. Alright, so we need to name the task, and the first name of the task will be Cisco iOS test. So we need to go ahead and we need to find out the Cisco modules. iOS module, here it is. So let me copy the module information, or just copy everything. So just copy it. We need to take care of the indentation. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's remove this one. Alright, append u for username, which will be Cisco 1234. Append k switch for password, and now we need to name my first playlist. Alright, so there's some syntax error, and alright, the same error what we had got in the past. So let me edit it. They are expecting local and we put network CLI. Did you use 2.7? Why is it so bad? Okay, let's edit it for now. Local. Let's try it again, hit enter. Alright, so we have a change. What is change? I believe we have output. So let's run it in verbose and have a look on it, what happened in the background. So we are getting into the device now, and here is our output. 2 commands. So voila, we are good. So let's go ahead with the documents and what is the next step they are suggesting us to do. So this has been done by us and this is done as well. So this is good. They are asking us to write the multiple of the task in a single playbook, so that is also possible. We will do it very soon. Let's go ahead and click on next if we have something special for that. So yeah, this is about inventory and we had already created one inventory and I had shown it what else we can do it. Alright, so one more stuff I see here, that is putting the username in the inventory. So let's try that. So get host. So let's edit it. Go to end and let's use the syntax provided by OS we already defined. So let's put user details. So the username is Cisco 1234, right? So let's click on it and let's try this once again, but this time what we will do, we will remove -u and the username. It should work this time without those 3-4 terms and conditions. Alright, so it is working. Let's see if it chooses the correct username or it is choosing the same root privileges or root account, sorry. Alright, so this is successful. So thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.